Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about a new topic. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is forest. Do you like to visit wildlife sanctuaries? Okay, very good. Is the plants and trees are real or not in wildlife sanctuary? Yes, it is real. The animals are protected in their natural habitat or not in wildlife sanctuary? Yes, it is protected in their natural habitat. What is the name of this type of conservation? Very good. It is in situ conservation. The animals and the plants are conserved in their natural habitat are called in situ conservation. Conservation are mainly two types. That is in situ and ex situ. Today we are going to learn more about in situ conservation. From group 1, who is ready to read this chart? Okay, very good. Wildlife sanctuary. These are protected area declared as protected areas to prevent the extinction of wildlife. Example, Pepara, Periyar, Wayanad. Are you clear? Okay. First method of in situ conservation is wildlife sanctuary. First one is wildlife sanctuary. These are protected areas for mainly conserved wildlife. Protected area declared as protection for wildlife. Pepara, Periyar, Wayanad are the examples of wildlife sanctuaries in Kerala. Pepara, Periyar and Wayanad. These areas are mainly for prevent the extinction of wildlife. The main aim of wildlife sanctuary is to prevent the extinction of wildlife. Prevent extinction of wildlife. Are you clear? Then take your notebook and write down the question. What is wildlife sanctuary? First question is what is wildlife sanctuary? And the second question is give two examples of wildlife sanctuary. Are you finished? Okay. From group 1, who is ready to read the answer? Okay, very good. First question is what is wildlife sanctuary. What is wildlife sanctuary? It is protected areas to prevent the extinction of wildlife. Okay, very good. The next question is from group 2. Who is ready to read the answer? Yes, which are the examples of wildlife sanctuary? Which are the examples? Pepara, Periyar and Wayanad are the examples of wildlife sanctuary. Okay, very good. Are you clear? Look at this picture. This is the image of Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. Are you clear? Okay, very good. Let's move on to the next activity. Who is ready to read this chart? Okay, very good. National Park. National Park are designed to protect wildlife along with historical monuments, natural resources of an area. Iravikulam, Silent Valley, Anamudi Shola, Madikettam Shola, Pambadu Shola are the examples of National Park. Are you clear? Okay. Next conservation method is National Park. Second one is National Park. This is the conservation strategy mainly to conserve wildlife along with the historical monuments, natural resources of an area. Conserve wildlife along with the historical monuments, natural resources, etc. Examples are Iravikulam, Silent Valley, Anamudi Shola, Madikettam Shola, and Pambadu Shola. These are the national park in Kerala. Are you clear? Okay, take your notebook and write down the question. Write any two examples of national park in Kerala. Are you finished? Who is ready to read this answer? Okay, very good. Which are the examples of national park? Yes. Iravikulam, Silent Valley, Anamudi Shola, Madikettam Shola, Pambadu Shola are the examples of national park in Kerala. This is the image of Iravikulam National Park. Are you clear? Okay. Let's move on to the next activity. Next conservation methods are community reserve and biosphere reserve. Community reserve are areas protected with the participation of public. Example, Kadalundi Community Reserve. Next is biosphere reserve. The area, vast region. These are the areas of vast region aim to protect world's important ecosystem, biodiversity, etc. Example, Nilagiri, Agastyaguda, etc. Are you clear? Okay. The next method is community reserve. Third conservation method is community reserve. These are areas protected with the participation of public. Area. These are the protected area. Protected with the participation of public. Community reserves are mainly situated in the populated areas. Situated in populated example, Kadalundi Community Reserve. Kadalundi Community Reserve. Kadalundi Community Reserve is spread over the district Malappuram and Kozhikode. Malappuram and Kozhikode. The next is Biosphere Reserve. The fourth in situ conservation method is Biosphere Reserve. These are the areas of vast region. Vast region. Biosphere Reserve is mainly for the protection of world's largest ecosystem, biodiversity, etc. Conserve and protect ecosystem, biodiversity, etc. Example, Nilagiri and Agastyaguda. Nilagiri and Agastyaguda. These are the examples of Biosphere Reserve. Are you clear? Okay. Take your notebook and write down the question. First question is, give example of community reserve in Kerala. The second question is, which are the examples of biosphere reserve in Kerala? Are you finished? Okay. From group 2, who is ready to read the answer? Okay, very good. What is the first question? Yes. What is the example of community reserve? What is the example of community reserve? Yes, it is Kadalundi Community Reserve. It spread over 2 districts, that is Malappuram and Kozhikode. Are you clear? What is the next question? Yes. Which are the examples of Biosphere Reserve? Which are the examples of Biosphere Reserve? Yes, it is Nilagiri and Agastya Koodam. Are you clear? Okay. This is the image of Kadalundi Community Reserve. This is located in the populated area. This is Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. This is another image of Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. Are you clear? Okay, very good. Let's conclude today's topic. It is an activity in situ conservation methods are mainly 4 types. That is wildlife sanctuary, national park, community reserve and biosphere reserve. The example of a wildlife sanctuary is Wayanad. What is the example of a national park? It is, one example is Iravikulam. What is the example of community reserve? Give an example. Yes, it is Kadalundi. Kadalundi Community Reserve. Kadalundi Community Reserve. What is the example of Biosphere Reserve? Yes, it is Agastya Koodam. In situ conservation are wildlife sanctuary, national park, community reserve and biosphere reserve. Wayanad is an example of wildlife sanctuary and the Iravikulam is the national park. Kadalundi is the community reserve and Agastya Koodam is an example of biosphere reserve. Are you clear? Take your notebook and write down the homework question. The first question is, write a brief note on in situ conservation methods. The second question is, what are the difference between biosphere reserve and community reserve? Are you clear? Any doubt? Okay, thank you.